Good job.
My shell's fucked, Jeremy.
Can you GoPro on, please? Yeah! Honkers.
I don't know which one of us shot that, but I think you double tapped it.
I think I got triple tapped. One trick shot too.
I heard his gun go. I'm hoping it's banded because only 3 straws get drawn. 3. 2. No.
Tyler shot 2.
Nope.
No?
Didn't?
Nope.
Oh, f***ing 2. Oh God, please Lord be banded.
Still a goose.
I don't see banded.
Oh!
I'll send one. Ow!
Send it. What'd you do?
I just pulled my beard hair. No, I didn't. He shot. He shot.
Like,
So I'm like, okay. I'll send it. Look at that. I pulled out like a bunch of hairs. Son of a bitch.
Yeah, I wish I could go for your
He grabs the ledge of it. Fine.
Please say you had your GoPro on.
Yep. Fuck talking to me. I'm sitting there trying to clean it.
Do you have your GoPro on, Chris?
Well, it wouldn't have f***ing helped anyway because it's f***ing moving all over the place.
Is it?
Yep. It's pointing straight down.
My shell's fucked, Jeremy.
Good shot, Tyler.
Good boy, get it! Get it!
What the heck was that?
Drink a little water. Come on. Come on, Yana. Come on, boy.
Good boy. Come on. Come on, bring it here. Come on. Buster. Hank, come again.
Tyler,
Yeah,
I love your dog.
me too. Come on! Come on! No, come on! That's a nice pintail too. Yeah. Nope. Good job.
I want to see the blood, but it won't f***ing focus. Oh. Oh, Jesus. I was rolling.
Rolling. Go get it. Dipper. Nice. Double tap, bitches.
Holy shit.
Double tap, bitches.
Hi-ya!
I might have gotten it hit the tree on video. Here it comes. It's gonna be over on your left. Oh, it's coming in, it's coming in, coming in. Right out front. Is it Drake?
Yeah.
Nice Drake.
Alright, so we're having a pretty good day here today. I think we've got 12 ducks and 1 goose so far. It's been pretty steady, kind of slow, but we're getting singles and doubles trickling in, so it's not too bad. Definitely not boring out here with the rest of the guys. Having a great day. Got 1 day left of season, and we're gonna stick it out until dark. Keep watching.
Yeah!
Thank you.
What up, y'all? So, second from last day of duck season 2018-2019. Came out with, we added 2 more content creators to the channel, so be ready to look out for their stuff. Did pretty good. Got 16 ducks and a goose today. Didn't limit out by no means, but you know what? We still had a good time. It's the second from last day. Tomorrow's hunt should be fun. We're gonna field hunt for geese and wrap up our season.
Tyler,
Yeah,
I love your dog.
me too.